Here's how to check the warranty coverage on iPhone. You can check your iPhone coverage in just few steps. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, About, tap on Limited Warranty, and here you will find your Apple warranty coverage. Also, you can check it from browser. To do that, copy your iPhone serial number, then open a browser and type Apple coverage check. Open this website, checkcoverage.apple.com. Enter here your serial number and write this captcha. Tap on submit, and here you will find your Apple coverage. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.